why is it so... Okay, whatever. Today we're detailing a 29-foot RV. The end.
Yes!
Show them how it's done.
What's up, guys? Today we are back with a new video. Today we are detailing the Sunseeker RV. Yeah, let's get it.
Last video just ended and didn't really show you the hose reel. So we're gonna do... So we're gonna...
Give it a second.
One second.
Not supposed to do that.
Get it all tangled up.
We just bought our new power washer
Say bye to
hose.
this one, green hose. Now, take these quick connects off and put them on the other one. Ready, hike. You know.
Hey! What's up, guys? Oh, there's a spider!
Blow it.
Oh, it's hopping down. Oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be doing this today now.
Big ass spider.
Where?
Right there, hanging down.
That?
Yeah.
Where's the spider?
It's not there anymore.
So we don't have an SD card in the drone? I don't even know where it would be, to be honest. Alright, well, no drone footage today, even though it would have been cool.
Sup, guys?
Okay, guys.
We just finished.
Oh, we are tilted.
Wow. Oh, yeah. We just finished the
Cleaning
cleaning
stage.
part. Yep.
Now we're applying bead maker. We're gonna spray it and then just wipe it off. Good wax, and then we'll actually wax all the like decals on the side, and then spray the magical spray on the tires and plastics, and then call it a day.
No. No what?
I'm gonna be naughty and like wipe it just a little corner. I didn't do anything.
Oh man, it's tired already.
Oh, damn it. Oh my. A lot. Oh, that's nice. Wow, nice and rocky.
It's fine. We'll just put it back on.
Oh, you thought.
You actually thought. It's actually... I don't see any rocks, so we're good. Good as new, we're gonna use it.
guys, we just finished the wash and wax on this beautiful RV here.
Beauty. Waxy,
Put
waxy.
into the black strips up there. And
Look at that chrome. Chrome's super nice.
we put a little spray on it to make the
Tires, super shiny. Even
the steps.
all on the insides too. You probably can't see, but that's all black in there. Bang bang. Steps, shiny.
All these black stripes and blue stripes were waxed.
Here's this tire. Better than it was.
And then take a look at the back bumper here.
Super
So
black.
we're gonna use that spray.
Good. This gas cap I sprayed.
Yes, guys, that is a wrap of our wash and wax on this brand new, not brand new, but we made it brand new RV. We'll see you in the next car detail.